Hey guys, John over at Hayes Classics. What I have here is a 1983 Toyota SR5 pickup, fully loaded. It's got the air conditioning, power steering. I completely tear these vehicles down to nothing, and we rebuild them all the way from the bottom up. The engine compartments are completely detailed. It's a cosmetic restoration. I don't do any engine work or anything like that, but I do put clutches in them and water pumps and things like that. But the vehicle is completely cosmetically restored. I bought the vehicle from Oregon, completely rust-free, and the floor pans on this thing are unbelievable. Very, very nice truck. If you have any questions about my Toyotas, I have like 6 of them right now that are done. Give me a call, 916-223-4841, because everything's for sale.